Hello everybody, welcome to CyberDucky. Today we will review this new certificate from Google, which is Cybersecurity Professional Certificate. And in this video we will go through 8 modules which is covered in the certification, and how much it costs, and how to enroll, and what we will be learning on these 8 modules, and is it good enough for you to get into any cybersecurity role. To enroll Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate, you need to go to Coursera and you need to subscribe for monthly subscription around $50, and is a beginner level program, and it has planned you can finish it, if you study every weekly 7 hours, you can finish it in 6 months. And it has a few modules inside. These are the topics it covers, and if you put more time per day, if you are study like 2-3 hours, you can finish it easily within 3 months to 4 months. And the questions, there is some projects you need to do, and some you need to do like a multiple choice questions. The first subject you will be, or the first module you'll be learning, is the foundation of cybersecurity. So in this module they will be covering core cybersecurity concepts and CIA triangle, and NIST cybersecurity framework as well. And they will tell you kind of what you will do as a entry-level security analyst do. So it's a very foundation and if you are someone new to the field, definitely it will be very helpful to do. This is the second module, which is managing security risk. So in this module they will teach you about CISSP security domains, so which is vastly covered in CISSP certification. So you will have some understanding on how these domains are helping to protect cyber security assets, or the network assets, or any IT infrastructure. And the third most important thing you will be learning in this topic is threats. What kind of threats you can face, or you will have in an environment of in a IT environment, or any cybersecurity environment or infrastructure, and risks and vulnerabilities, and how it's impact the business operation, and how to protect assets and data by using playbooks. So playbooks basically like a steps, this, if it is this happen, you need to do this, just to follow those steps. So this is what they will be introducing you to in this module. This one is number 3rd topic, which is networks and network security. So in this topic you are introduced to network concepts, how network works, how the network structure works, then what are the protocol running in a network, like TCP, UDP, on top of that SSH, HTTP, HTTPS, those network related protocols, then how it can be secure, this one, how it be, how to protect things from a breach, and how to do security hardening on a network level, or it can be done software level or hardware level. So these are the things you will be learning here. In the 4th topic, we are looking at now 4th topic, which is called tools and trade, or Linux. And in this topic you will be learning Linux and SQL, or the database. You will understand the foundation of Linux operating system, and they will teach you some basic commands, like how to create a directory, how to create a file, how to rename, how to move, how to locate where you staying in a folder, like a PWD. Then so many similar tools related to Linux, how to find, how to do certain things within Linux. Then you will learn about SQL database. So this one is for you to understand, how to store your informations in a database if you want to use it later. So there is some more topics are covered within the SQL itself. I think it will be definitely helpful if you can learn and understand how to create a database. If you go through the program of this module, you will understand how much it can bring you value to your skill set. Yeah, this one is number 5, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, I think it's number 5. This topic is number 5, which is asset threats and vulnerability. So if you compare to earlier one, which is play safe, which is managing risk, and this one is a little similar, but here you will have more in-depth discussion on asset clarification and NIST cybersecurity framework and fundamental security system and controls and encryption, like SSH, or public key infrastructure, or those related to encryption. Then they will again teach you more in depth about confidentiality and integrity and availability, which is CIA triangle. Then we have again vulnerability assessment process and attack surface and attack vectors. So again, this one also the same, but it's in a more advanced, little bit an advanced level, where how to identify a vulnerability and how it can help attackers to create become an attack vector. In the 6th topic, you will learn detection and response. So in this module, they will teach you how to analyze a network using packet sniffer or maybe Wireshark, TCP dump, to understand if there is any threat available, or any behavioral, or any abnormal behavior in a network. And in this lesson, you will learn tools like SIEM, which is like a Splunk, and other tools. Then they will do, again, you will learn about here also documentation, how to maintain custody of chain of custody, then the playbooks, and post incident activity, like if an incident happens, then how to recover from an incident, then how to move forward, how to create a knowledge base approach, how to prevent in the 7th module. The 7th module is about how to use Python programming language to automate cybersecurity tasks. So in this module, you'll be learning the basic of Python programming concept, variable, data type, control statements, and then how to create an algorithm to build a program, how to do a function, how to create a function. So this is the main things you will learn, and on top of that, they will show you how to use a log file and find information, like maybe you have a log file of user logins, and use Python programming language to read this log file and identify usernames, which it can be using multiple time authentications without username, or proper authentication, or maybe it's blocked by system. So like it's like a vetting process. So just to things to automate, instead of you searching manually one by one, if you use something, this type of automated tools, if you can create on the fly, so that it can help you reduce your workload. So these are the things they will teach. I think this is one of the interesting topic, where it really give you an understanding. Okay, even though programming language, especially Python, is used much in scripting, but how it can be benefit in this role, you will learn all these things, all about this in this subject. Okay, in the final module, which is number 8, which is preparing you to apply for an cybersecurity role in once you complete all the subjects which is covered in 1 2 all the way 7. The 8 is like a bonus, how, but you need to finish this one to get certified. But again, it will give you only how to prepare your CV. Example, you are coming from a different background, you don't have no IT experience, or your first time job, you're looking in cybersecurity, or maybe first time even entering into IT industry. So how you can bring your experience from other industries? Maybe you've been working in maybe retail, maybe you're working in different industries and different job roles. So in this module, they will help you to understand your existing skills and to bring to the CV and put that make a like statement of your CV, like yes, you have this experience in the past and how you can contribute to the new role in a cybersecurity. So something like that. I think definitely if you're a job new to cybersecurity and looking for job in this field, definitely this one also will be helpful for you to learn. I think finally the big question is that, is this enough to get into a cybersecurity job? His answer is maybe yes, maybe no, but again, it's all depend on who you are and what you are preparing for. So if you follow in this program, and if you can go to each and every topic it covered in this matter or in this certification, and if you put enough time to build your foundational knowledge, and if you can show that your interest, that you really want to get into the field and you willing to learn more, and you have done some study and preparation for the like interviews. And so when most of the time the companies may accept you as a entry level in any role in a cybersecurity if you can demonstrate the skills which you have learned in this program, and you need to show that, okay, I learned this one and I am willing to do more, I'm willing to learn more, then definitely I think there will be some opportunity. But again, it's all depend on how much work you're going to put. So by just completing this certificate, maybe not gonna help, but definitely like concept like a network concepts, how network works, then tools, maybe you can focus on Linux. So try to learn Linux a little bit more than what available in this program, or maybe you just try to specialize in Python itself to automate things. So I think if you can break down these three, or this focus on one of this subject, it may give some leverage on finding job. Again, I hope this is informative and helpful, this video for you. If you think it gives you any benefit, please subscribe and share and like. And most of my channel viewers are non-subscribers. If you guys can, just clicking that subscribe button can help me a lot to develop this channel, and it will be a great motivation as well. Again, thank you for your time, and I wish you all good luck. In future I'll be posting more related videos or subjects I would try to cover, so that you guys can learn more and build your skill, and hopefully you guys can find a job, or maybe improve your current roles. And I hope I can do something for everyone to benefit. Please subscribe and help me to spread the word.